Welcome back to my channel, Work Freedom Now. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a fully remote customer care position, customer service, for the company WellSense. Okay, it is their WellSense health plan job. Now, this is a really good work from home opportunity. Now, this is a full time work from home job. So, if you're looking for full time work, this would be great for you. Again, it's fully remote, work from home, and it is first shift, guys. It is Monday through Friday, no weekends. Hey. Um, and you're gonna work anywhere between the hours of 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern. And the pay rate is 19.50 per hour. And this is a beginner friendly job. So I'll talk about that a little bit later. Now, with this position at WellSense, you're going to be a WellSense customer care representative. You're going to serve as the first line of support. Okay, you're going to provide accurate information to current and prospective members, internal customers, and you're going to talk to them about the various health plans that are offered. And this is a role that can be a starting point for a long term growth and advancement position. You can grow and advance within their company. Now, with this job, they have a paid 10-week training period. They have excellent benefits, including a no premium health insurance option. Okay. That is amazing. You also have the opportunity to increase your title and pay based on demonstrated knowledge, abilities, and performance. They also have a reoccurring annual cash retention bonus for remaining with the customer care positions. They also have an internal employee application program to grow within roles in other departments. They give you recognition and rewards for high performance and improvement. And they have an employee resource group. So, those are some benefits there. So, some of your key responsibilities with this job, you will have to utilize appropriate resource material to effectively and accurately interpret, respond, and resolve customers' problems. And by you doing that is going to build loyalty, improve retention, and satisfy their customer service goals. Now, one thing I wanted to point out is you're going to have to respond to a high volume of incoming calls from members and providers. So the call lengths can vary widely from 5 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay. So you're going to be talking with this job now. And you're going to have to employ strong interpersonal skills to handle difficult calls in a courteous and professional manner. You're going to document calls in accordance with the departmental policies. You're going to work with peers to solve problems, promote teamwork. You're going to need to meet and exceed the department quality and production goals. And you may have other duties. Now, for this job, the education, you only have to have a high school diploma or the equivalent. Now, a bachelor's degree is preferred, but that's just preferred. Okay, so it's just like a little sprinkle on top of the cake. Okay, if you have a bachelor's degree, that is going to put you a little bit above the rest, but everyone could apply for this job. So if you have a high school diploma, please apply for this job. um and it's beginner friendly. Okay, they say it is okay if you have not worked in a call center before, because they will train you. Now, with this job, you're going to need to also have outstanding customer service skills, excellent verbal and written communication skills, strong organizational skills, and the ability to prioritize a high volume of adjustment requests, multitask, and prioritize work, which is pretty standard with all customer service jobs. You're going to have to multitask. And any job, you're going to have to prioritize what work you will need to do first. You're going to need to have the ability to make reasonable and sound business decisions based on the established standards and guidelines. And you're going to have a working knowledge of Microsoft Office products. Now, another bonus is if you're able to speak Spanish, Portuguese, Haitian, Creole, or any other language, it is highly desirable. Okay. They want somebody bilingual if possible. But again, if you can only speak English, still apply. Okay. And you have to have the ability to work comfortably from home with a high speed internet connection. Regular and reliable attendance is required, and you can get some of that overtime pay. Okay. So you have to have the ability to work overtime during peak periods. So again, this is a really good beginner friendly job, customer care position, full time, no weekends, 19.50 an hour. And again, they have the excellent benefits with no premium health insurance policy. Okay. That's a benefit, y'all. If y'all don't know, that's an amazing benefit. All right. So that is all. So please check it out. If you're interested in applying, please apply fast because jobs like this go quick. Also check out my website, Work Freedom Now. And if you're a prayer warrior like me, okay. If you're a prayer warrior like me, I made a video for those who are praying to get a work from home job, okay? Because we seek the Lord on this channel. So until next time, I love you. God loves you. Bye.